Avoiding arc flash while servicing fire pump controller is a huge deal, and to do it safely you would normally need to shut off power to the controller, which until now meant you had to shut down the entire building or install a service entrance disconnect switch rated for locked rotor. The problem with the switch is both the cost and the high incident energy. For example, a 250 horsepower 460 volt motor would normally require an expensive 2000 amp switch. We didn't think either option was so great, which is why we invented the Separate Isolating Switch, or the SIS. The SIS design moves the isolating switch into an entirely separate enclosure, attached to the controller here, which also changes the incoming power path. It starts here, then goes through the disconnect switch, and then to the controller. Using the same 250 horsepower motor example, you now only need a 400 amp switch because it's part of the fire pump controller, which is service entrance rated. It also allows you to disconnect locally from the power using a two-handed disconnect and reduces arcing time to 3 to 4 milliseconds for a significantly lower incident energy. It's low enough that you can do hot work with proper PPE equipment, typically category 2 or less. For more information, contact us directly.